This store sells this product, which is in the car accessories category, and it was able to make over $29,000 last month just by selling this product. Surprisingly, it does not run any advertisements. It only operates by creating content on TikTok, posting content daily on TikTok and placing the store link in the bio. Customers click on the link, get redirected to this very simple product page and start purchasing the product immediately. This product is sold for about $30, while its actual cost is around $4, achieving a significant profit margin with over 990 orders last month. Today, I will teach you step by step how to start in dropshipping, design a professional online store, and find a supplier who can provide these products at very low prices. Connect this supplier with your online store and start selling products for a good profit. Follow this video step by step, like the video if you're interested in dropshipping, and subscribe to the channel as I post profitable products daily through which you can earn thousands of dollars. The first step is to create an online store, and I will leave you a link to register on Shopify in the video description. With this link, you will get a 3-day free trial, and your first month on Shopify will only cost $1 instead of $39. This is an excellent offer which you can find through the link in the video description. You will start by entering your email, then creating the online store. Here we can skip this step, and here you can select the country where you will begin selling. Then you will enter your email and password and create the online store. In seconds it will set up the online store and take you to the Shopify control panel. Here you'll see that the free trial has already started, and we can view Shopify's plans by clicking Select a Plan. I recommend the basic plan if you're a beginner, which you can get for $1 instead of $39. Click Select Basic, enter your bank card or PayPal details and subscribe. You can skip this step for now. Let's move to the second step, which is to find a supplier through which we can import products for the store and easily ship them to customers. This supplier is Zendrop, available on both an app and a website, offering millions of profitable products, and also provides auto-fulfillment, fast shipping and professional support. To install this app on the store, click Install, which will redirect you to this page, then click Install again. After installing Zendrop, click Apps and then select Zendrop. Here is Zendrop's simple interface. You can select the categories you will work on, and here you will find thousands of products available on Zendrop. Start searching here for the product name. You'll find this is the exact product the person is working with, and you'll see prices vary depending on materials and product details. Click on this product and it will open this page with all the product details. If you scroll down, you will find variations which refer to the available sizes and colors of the product. Next, there's the product cost, the shipping cost, which varies by country, and you can select the country to ship to from this section for specific shipping rates. Here is the total price of the product plus shipping costs, and here is the average shipping time. He sells it, for example, at $30, so you can set your selling price accordingly. To add this product to your online store, click Add to My Products, then you can return and easily add other products in the same way. Next, go to My Products, and you'll see the product in this section. Click Review and Publish. Here, you can modify everything before publishing it to the store, like the product name, description, available variations and selling price. I might sell this product for $19 or $20, so my profit per unit sold is about $9, shown here in your profit section. Here you will choose the images that will be published on the store. Then click Publish to My Store, then click Confirm, and the product will be published on the online store. Then go to the store and go to the products page. You'll find the product here. Click on it if you want to make any changes. You'll find you can change everything: the name, description, images, and price. To see what the product looks like on the online store, click Preview. You'll see the product page here. It's a simple, straightforward page, but it could use some adjustments to look like the professional pages you find on major stores. That's why I've left a full guide in the video description on how to create a professional product page and online store on Shopify, and it will be even better than this page. Now let me quickly check if ordering this product from the store sends the order to Zendrop, allowing me to ship it to the customer. I will place the order quickly. After placing it, if I go to Orders, I'll find the order is already here. This is the order. If I go to Zendrop and reload, I'll see the order has arrived on Zendrop. I can click on Orders now to find the order details here, and this is the product ordered. I can now ship it to the customer by clicking Fulfill Order. Here you'll see the product cost and the shipping cost, depending on the customer's country. The customer has already paid you for the order through the payment gateway you linked to Shopify, whether Stripe, PayPal, or other available payment gateways. So next you'll add funds here using your bank card or PayPal, then ship the order, paying for it while collecting your profits through the linked payment gateway. Zendrop offers you 25 orders in the free plan, which you can start with and ship to customers easily. If you want to fulfill more orders, subscribe to a paid plan by clicking Upgrade. There are 2 plans available with the price varying according to each plan's features, but both include auto-fulfillment, which is an excellent feature. So as soon as a customer orders from the store, it gets sent to Zendrop and is automatically fulfilled, saving you time and effort. Next, you can create an account on TikTok or Instagram, add the product link in the bio, and start posting daily content for this product, whether it's the product you're seeing now or any product you choose through Zendrop. I wish you all the best in e-commerce. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. Goodbye.